Hey guys, it's Sammy and
Caitlin.
And today we're going to the beach with Nikki and Abby.
When you wake up in the morning, when you walk the house.
Is this pretty? Like, it's almost as pretty as me, but like not. If there's a spider, I'm gonna jump.
Oh, that's a squad right there.
I feel like I'm being attacked by like multiple animals, and I just don't really like it. Like, yummy spider webs, like super yummy. Like I just love spiders.
Ooh, you eat spiders too?
Oh my god!
I thought I was the only one.
I thought I was the only one too.
Alex hurt.
Okay, I'm gonna like fly down the stairs.
I fly up the stairs, not down the stairs.
Huh. Yeet. Hey guys, we're approaching the water. My feet are like actually on fire and there's no Hawkeyes, so that's just an update. So I'm gonna be trying a standing tuck. I can't see myself. So I'm gonna be trying a standing tuck. I kinda have it, I kinda don't. We'll see if I survive. I don't know what this is.
I believe in this is a statement. This is video.
Caitlin! It's like hard. Like this is really.
Sammy, Nikki, look.
There's a rainbow! So we found this phone and we called like mom, like we held it, and they answered and they were like, "Why are you calling me?" So we returned the phone. Give me the shovel! Wrecked. Oh my god, Nikki,
Ow.
I'm so sorry. My hair is like, yeet. Oh, there's a plane!
I hate planes.
My hair's in my eye.
Really? Yeah.
I'm hearing some nature noises. It's pretty interesting. Hey guys, what am I looking at? What am I looking at? What am I?
Get them in the vlog.
I don't want to get the spiders in the vlog. I want to get out.
Give me your phone. Oh my god. What's that? Look at that one.
What am I looking at?
Do you not see it?
I'm scared. Nikki? Oh my gosh, look at that one. That one's huge. Move.
I'm leaving.
I'm getting out. I'm like escaping. Like they're all over me. Like I feel spiders. Pure nature, and it's seriously scaring me.
Oh my gosh, it's like dark.
It's making that noise, but it's frightening me.
What did I do?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeet. I'm done. I can't.
Why?
Caitlin, you're a spider.
Why?
My legs are a spider.
Guys, I'm a spider.
I really don't like the noise that's coming from that general direction.
What? The click
That's
Oh, there it is.
Yeet.
Oh,
Yeet.
there's two. There's two.
Yeet.
Four. What are you doing for now? We're at Steak and Shake.
What is this?
Who you calling Pinhead? Guys, it won't go on. Oh, snip. Caitlin, how do you feel?
You better not have videoed that.
Not clock.
He gets so upset.
Drop a hair off.
Mickey, no one said you were a girl.
Shut up.
Hey guys. There's a boy in your room right now. How do you feel?
Feel violated?
Should we shut the door?
I'm not a boy.
We just took it to another level. We took it to another level! And are you crying right now?
Shut up.
Stop!
Like,
You know who would finesse your change?
that was like so bad of what you guys did.
How attacked do you feel?
Stop.
You okay, man? We don't have to grow up.